Welcome back, Shark Squad. In today's video, we will be going over market profile and how to trade it in the Forex market. What we have up here is a volume point of control chart. You can download this chart from anywhere that will have this indicator available. I got mine from Quantum Indicators. So let's get right into it so I can explain here today how I use this chart in the Forex market. So what we have here is, see this red line at the top here, and we work our way down with all the other lines. Those lines are like support and resistance lines. So as you can see, the first one, this price level here has been rejected when it got here. Right here you see a lot of activity again in this area being used as another resistance. The market dipped below, came back, this line right here, dipped below, came back, being used as resistance. Right here as well, you can see the next one is being used as support in this area here, and the market went long. It came back to it again, support, market went long, came back, support. Right, so on your volume point of control chart, these lines on the chart most likely are being used for support and resistance. The shaded area here in blue, right, the shaded area in blue is basically the volume, and in purple, the volume. And as we go down and you see the shaded areas start to thin out, that means that area is less likely to hold, right? It's less volume in the area. The yellow lines, this yellow line is a fair price, right? This is where most traders has agreed on a fair price in the market, right? So always expect the market to come back to your volume point of control level, price level, right? So if we're trading, let's say the resistance here, this resistance, we can expect this market to trade back to the fair price area, right? Which is the yellow line. If the market goes and it's coming back, you can expect it as well to trade back to this area. So that's basically market profile. Yeah, in a nutshell. You can find this indicator almost anywhere. Just Google it and you could download from a source. But I got mine from Quantum Indicators. And this is how I use market profile, volume point of control. Very useful, guys. Very useful in the markets. I implement it also with my own strategy sometimes. So I don't use this solely, but I just take into consideration when I'm taking my trades the volume point of control and where the fair price is, because I always like to know where this level is when I'm trading, where the market can go and react the most, because most trades and transactions are being placed around this price level here on your volume point of control. Also, remember guys, if you're having trouble finding any indicators with market profile, you could also go into the MT4, MT5, and go down to the marketplace. And there's a good one too called Blotech. They have the market profile indicators and quantum indicators. Not getting paid by none of these guys, but those are the ones that I know, so I'm sharing with you guys. So today was a short one, guys. Hope this can help anyone out. Leave a comment below, like, share. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. This is a new channel, the Shark Squad. We are taking over in 2022. Thank you, guys. Hope you had a good trading week. Peace.